Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. I don't know about you, but I love Thai food, and Thai curry is something I eat on a regular basis. So today I'm going to show you my recipe for a delicious and lower calorie Thai curry. This is something I eat on a regular basis, and I'm actually going to make it in a deconstructed fashion because I like to measure out just how much vegetable goes in there, just how much meat, and just how much curry. But anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I've got some broccoli florets, some mushrooms that I have cut into quarters, red and yellow bell peppers that I have cut into big chunks, some zucchini or squash that I have cut into quarters as well, nice thick pieces. I got some chicken leg meat that I've cut into small bite-sized pieces. I've got some kaffir lime leaves, which are one of the aromatics for the curry. Some lemongrass, which I will smash with the side of my knife, but I recommend you use a rolling pin instead to bash them. This helps them to release their oils. And I got some galangal, which is Thai ginger that I cut into small pieces, and also some Thai basil, which we use right at the end, and it makes the curry super fragrant. I will also be using light coconut milk, which is like 50 calories per serving. But you can also just use regular coconut milk if you like, but that will be about 170 calories per serving. And of course we need curry paste. You can use either green curry paste or red. It's your choice. I'll go with the green paste today. The first thing I do is get my wok on the stove and I spray it with some pan spray. Then I add in my chicken. I season that meat with some salt and then I saute it. Now normally I cook the chicken in the curry, but since I am doing this for meal prep, I need to weigh out the chicken and portion it evenly, and hence I cook the chicken and later the veg separately and then the curry after that, and then just bring it all together when I eat it. So just let that chicken cook, and now you might have some chicken juices in the pan. That's okay, we'll cook the veggies in that. So remove the chicken from the wok, leaving behind those juices, and weigh out the chicken so that you can evenly divide it into your meal prep containers. And the chicken is now ready, and it's time to get on to the veggies. In the wok where our chicken juices lie, we're going to get the heat back on and add in all our veggies. The mushrooms first, then the broccoli, then the bell peppers, and finally the zucchini. Season it all with some salt and then cover it with a lid and let it cook. Then after a few minutes, open it up and give it all a good mix. Now you want to cook these to your liking. Some people want their veggies to have a bit of crunch and bite, and others like it soft and mushy. Whatever your preference is, cook the veggies accordingly. Now if you see a lot of liquid in the wok again, don't worry. Once your veggies are cooked, remove them from the pan. Now I will take them out in my bowl and make sure I weigh them so that I can divide it equally into the meal boxes. And I think I've cooked a few more veggies than I need, but hey, I can put some in the box and eat the rest as snacks. You can never have too many veggies. Anyway, I will also remove all the juices from the wok into a bowl, and that's like a flavor bomb. So don't throw that away, we'll use it for our curry. Time to make the curry, and we'll heat up some oil in our wok and then add in our curry paste. And now you just want to fry that curry paste. And once it starts to get fragrant, I will add in the galangal, the lemongrass, 2 Thai bird's eye chilies, and some kaffir lime leaves, which I will tear just before adding them in. And now I will saute that for a minute before I add in those wok juices that we saved earlier, and that will deglaze the wok and add a lot of flavor to this curry. I will also add a few more kaffir lime leaves since I had a lot of them, and now just cook this for a few minutes. Then I will add in my coconut milk, and I'm adding a whole can, and it's the light and slightly sweet coconut milk that counters the curry spice so beautifully. Anyway, now you just cover it and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. And after that, your curry is pretty much ready. Now you'll notice that the curry is quite thin, and that's because the coconut milk itself is thin. So you can thicken it up with some corn flour or all-purpose flour if you want it thick, but I don't mind it like this, so I will just leave it as it is. I'm also going to add some sugar now to sort of balance out the spice of the curry. And finally, I'm going to throw in our fresh Thai basil and then turn off the heat. The basil will wilt in the residual heat of the wok and our curry is now ready. Now I weigh out the curry so that I know just how much goes into each of my meal prep boxes, and that's it. Our curry for the Thai curry is ready. And now it's time to pack our meals. So I get my meal prep box on the scale. I will add in my veggies. I will add in my rice. I will add in my chicken and everything looks nice. Finally, I add my curry, but I am in no hurry. And my meal prep is ready and that looks perfect. And now I will just microwave and eat it during the week, and tell me that isn't something you want to eat every day. Oh, so yummy. And for those who want to take this to the next level, whenever you are ready to eat, just pour your curry into your wok, add your chicken, add your veggies, and then warm them up together so that they get to know each other. And then just serve it with your rice. And that, my friends, is a lower calorie but still delicious Thai curry that you can eat every single day. A lovely mix of vegetables and meat, giving your body all the nutrients it needs. So smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm that I need. And anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Hey folks, it's time to taste the Thai curry and rice. And before I get to that, I just want to let you know, check the blog post on headbangerskitchen.com. The direct link is just below this video in the description box. Now, as you may have noticed, I made a lot more vegetables than I needed, but hey, vegetables are good for you and you can eat them whenever you like. They are low in calories and very healthy. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let me taste. Oh yeah. Okay, that's got a kick. The heat of the Thai chili and the curry paste, but it's not like an uncomfortable heat. It's tempered by the coconut flavor from the coconut milk. And yeah, if you want to thicken the sauce, like I said, you can add some corn flour or some regular flour and thicken it up, but you know, I don't mind it just the way it is. I mean, this is beautifully balanced. Meat, veggies, coconut cream, coconut milk and rice. So good. So this is something I really enjoy eating, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe as well. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber from me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. If you're hungry and you know it, eat a snack. If you're hungry and you know it, eat a snack. If you're hungry and you know it and you really want to show it, and you're hungry and you know it, eat a snack. The vegetables are a snack. Very good snack.